And here we are with the reflection of a flower at DEVKUND waterfall. Now, this waterfall is located near Bhira in Raigad district, which falls in Maharashtra in India. And it's a plunge waterfall pouring massive amount of water on the rocky surface underneath. However, that's not the case today. And why? That you will see on my actual video ahead. So hold on to that. Well, just to give you a gist of it, it's a popular spot for like a one-day picnic, but we have taken day two as well, as we wanted to rest. It is confluence of three waterfalls and is said to be the origin of Kundalika River. It's about 3 hours trek from the base village along the dam backwaters and through forest to reach this place, Devkund. So, say around 6.5 kilometers one-sided trek that becomes difficult from moderate during monsoon. So, that's about it. I mean, I am pretty happy being here. For some reason, I'm not happy with the volume of the water, and please do not hate me when you see my next video after this, because I am giving my honest opinion on how I felt after reaching here. Do you see the amount of water? Like, seriously? Okay, continue to watch my actual video, which was taken right from Devkund. Enjoy. Hello people. So I'm lying down actually. There are people there. So I'm on a rock because I'm very tired. The best part was that the trekking was really normal. The way I thought that it could be very difficult, or even if it's moderate, it gets a little difficult for people who drink or smoke, but it was quite okay. And the most disappointment my bad. The most disappointed thing is, I'm gonna show it to you. Hold on. This. मतलब मैं यहाँ इतने खुशी से आई थी कि मैं देखूँगी वाटरफॉल कैसे होता है. ये देख रहे हैं आप वाटरफॉल. इससे ज़्यादा पानी तो हमारे नलके में आता है. बहुत बुरा लगा कि मैं यहाँ तक अपना पैर तोड़ के, हाथ तोड़ के आई हूँ, क्योंकि सुबह सुबह हो गया मेरे साथ पंगा. लेकिन ठीक है. My even shin bone is hurting and I came for this. Literally, this is the only disappointment for me. I'm sure बारिश में बहुत अच्छा होगा यहाँ पे. But this thing के लिए I regret that I came here. इतना मेहनत करके. Now that you have seen that उसका बोलना भी भूल गई मैं. वाटरफॉल, इसको बोलते हैं देवकुंड वाटरफॉल. यू कैन सी माई हैंड्स आर swollen. मेरे हाथ सूज गए हैं और ये वाले हाथ में लग गई है. Shin bone is hurting, but yeah, it's a very good experience. Once in a while you should always do this, क्योंकि हर बार ऐसा experience नहीं मिलता. हम तो बचपन से करते आ रहे हैं, तो this was like a cakewalk for us. But yeah, have been not doing it for a very long time now. Have not gone for trekking like, I think लद्दाख के बाद अभी आ रही हूँ यहाँ पे, और लद्दाख के ट्रैक से तो ये कुछ भी नहीं है. So I think I should be more often going for such treks which are moderate. And that's about it. So the storyteller has spoken about the journey what she had here. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel Mabel R786. Share, subscribe and like. Mabel Rodriguez signing off from Devkund. Adios. आयुषी आपको यहाँ आके देवकुंड में कैसा लग रहा है? नहीं, आपका एक्सपीरियंस, आपके मुंह ज़बानी बताइए कैसा लग रहा है? कल बताती हूँ. कल हम नहीं हैं आपके साथ, आज रात को चले जाएंगे. रिकॉर्ड करके भेजना. अच्छा, ये उनके भाई को पूछते हो. आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? जनिल. Pretty good. Yeah. Was very थकेला pretty good.
नहीं. मतलब अभी तो थक गए. पानी लेके आना. नहीं है. लेके आ.
How was your experience? किसी की आवाज ही नहीं निकल रही भाई.
मैं आपका लेता हूँ. How was your experience?
How was my experience? मुझे देख के पता लग ही रहा है कि कैसी हालत है हमारी. इट वॉज गुड. हाथ खराब कर लिया, पैर खराब कर लिया, बट ठीक है. ट्रैकिंग करके, खेल के, कूद के जब हाथ पाँव कटे फटे नहीं तो फिर खेला क्या. एक्सपीरियंस वॉज रियली
आईब्रोज कैसे कटे फिर?
बहुत लेम था. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. इट वॉज एन अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस. मैं बोल रही हूँ साइनिंग ऑफ फ्रॉम देवकुंड.